Morning. I'm here at Lock Ridge Furnace. You wouldn't believe the trouble I had getting here. It's crazy. But I'll explain that in a little bit. Anyhow, it's a gorgeous morning. Absolutely beautiful. And being that I got here a little bit later than I expected, there's a bunch of people here. But that's okay. We're going to go for a nice little walk. Take some nice little pictures. Here's part of it already. It's right off the bat. Here's part of it. Look at that stonework. Amazing. We have people doing some photography here. That's okay. We're not going to get in their way. We won't do that. So, let me see what this is. Oh.
Yeah, like that's terrifying to me. Like, yeah.
Okay.
I make sure I back up literally everything I do. Oh, that's twice. So that's good.
I love that stonework, don't you? It's just awesome. This has been here for ages and ages and ages. I'm glad they keep it up nice. They have nice little brick walkways. Some of it's macadam, some of it's just path. From what I hear, there's a nice bridge. I think it's a stone bridge partway through one of the paths. I wouldn't say this is a hike. I say more it's like a walk. Easy walk. Not too bad. Kind of easy. So if you're like recovering from an injury or something like that. Okay. So if like you're recovering from an injury, it would be a nice way to start. I'm not going to get in their way. I'll go in here before they come in here. No biggie. Got a nice sun is, well, there's a train going right by. I'm going to stop here for 1 minute and get a picture. There's some more structures that went with the furnace workings. I'm not sure what these were. It's not on the little key map that they give you. I'm gonna have to look this up, and if I figure it out, I will definitely put it in the subtitles for you guys. There's the other side of that building that we were just in. Here's the big one. There we go. Sizable. I was gonna fly my drone, but too many people. Okay. Oh, that's the museum. I don't know if they're open today or not. We're gonna find out. And here's, all right. Here's some layout. Okay. Where am I? Okay, this is the layout, but I'm not sure what's what. Okay, one is the way master's house, which is over there. So, I don't even see one on this map. Oh yes, there it is. That's the Waymaster's house, which is just over there. So, we are at, the building in front of us is 12, 13, 14. The base for the hot ovens, the base stack, and the engine house. 21, just what I was not sure of, was the storehouse. 4 and 5, we were in the carpentry shop and blacksmith shop. Okay. All right. Let's go right back here It says there's a tunnel entrance. I'd like to see that. Let's go walk back this way. It's fenced off, but that's okay. Might be able to see something. Look at that stonework. God, these old buildings, they've really made them to last. It's amazing. Amazing. Danger, keep out. Yes, keep out. So, okay, this part looks like it's been collapsing recently. We're gonna go around here, see what we can find. Okay? Got people doing photography today. It's nice, but it's the sun is just kind of like too bright. Give you harsh shadows. You're gonna have to put your subject in the shadows. Watch the world burn. Yeah, that's nice. Thanks a lot. There's an interesting view. You got those arched windows on there. Kind of reminds me of a church, huh? Well, the tunnel entrance would be like just over there a tiny bit. So they must have been having some stuff collapse here. This is a cool spot. Cool spot. Oh, yes. I guess this was the tunnel entrance. Very cool. Oh, very cool. Very cool. Very cool. It's too narrow. I can't stick my camera down in there, so that's the best I could do. Sorry, guys. Okay. I'm gonna get my camera and take a few pictures. Okay. Alright, we're just walking around the building. Like I said, that was where the tunnel was. There you have the building. Just those arch windows, they look so much like a church. So much. Here's another piece. Alright. Oh, look at here. Look at that. Uh-huh. Well, that's a cool picture. Wow. Looky there. Look at that. Oh, the black, the soot, the smoky. Wow. This was the base of one of them. Sure to be. It had to be. Had to be. And of course, people have to do this kind of garbage. Look, it's caving in there. It's starting to crumble. Oh my gosh. Well, I hope they do repair it. It would be a shame to let this whole thing just crumble away to nothing. What is this here? Lumber City, top 2. A lot of these have names on them. See that? Here's the other side of the building. Quite large. God, you know, these old ones, I would love to see when they were building them. Can't even begin to imagine. Way back then, not only the technology, but the primitive methods, and they got it done. They got it done gosh darn good, too. They made the stuff to last. There's more cement little pillars there. And what does this little thing have to say? So it was like a company town. Freeze the video if you need to read this. All right. There's some more. There's more here than I thought. You know, I looked on the map, on the satellite images, but there's much more here than I thought. It's a nice spot. They keep it really nice. Gonna continue our walk. Go back here. We're gonna go around by the Waymaster's house in just a second. See, look at that. What a cool shot. Too bad it's the harsh sun. If the harsh sun would go away, if it was cloudy like it was yesterday when I was up in Lock Haven, it would be awesome. Get amazing pictures. But the sun, it's hard to work with the sun, especially when you get those hard shadows. Okay, we'll just keep on going here. Now there's kind of a cool shot. In between, you get all the other stuff in between there. That's nice. The temp is about 70 now. Not that bad. But we got some modeling going on here. So we're okay. Not a problem. We're good. Okay, I don't know which path we should take. There's two paths here. Let's try the upper one here. So I know there's that bridge down there, which is really kind of cool. Oh, there's a little train car down there. Let's go down there and see what that is. Well, anyhow, I'll tell you my little story about coming here and how I managed to be so late. So I get ready. I'm going here first. Then my second one is going to be a tunnel, basically. And I head out. And 15 miles out, I realize that I forgot my light. Okay, not a problem. I'm only 15 miles away from the house. I go back. I get the light. I go out to my car, and I realize I forgot the bracket that holds the camera and the light together. Duh. So I go around the block, and I go back and get the bracket. So now here I am. It's an hour later than I wanted to be here. But, they say things happen for a reason. So, in the grand scheme of things, there must have been a reason that I was delayed for 1 hour. This kind of stuff happened to me once before, and I got back home later on, and I found out there was an accident, big accident, where I should have been had I been on time, but because I was late, I was not there in that area. So that worked out good. So, like I said, things happen for a reason. This path is great. It's like so nice and easy. I would not call it a hike. It's not that long. It's not that hard. And it's definitely not strenuous. But we're just going to take the walk around and check it out. Okay? Oof. Okay, now I'm on the other side. I'm on the second path. You don't realize how big that building is till you back up and see like the whole thing. It's in its entirety. Okay. All right. Now, look at that. What a view. What a view. Beautiful. I'm going to snap a pic. This path is really much easier than I thought it was going to be. So, like if you're recovering from something or you're just out of shape and you want to try to get in shape, it's a good, nice path to start on. Not bad. Alright, here's a little bridge to go over the creek. I don't know if this is the nice bridge they were talking about. It doesn't look like it. But we will check it out. We will see. They have it up pretty high. So I guess the floodplain, I guess when it floods, it does come up to the bridge or close to it. Listen to that water. I could listen to that all day. It's so pretty. Hey, look at over there. Part cement, part wood. Wonder why they did it that way. I guess they had a reason. We'll just keep on going here. Oh, look. Little stone steps, brick steps to walk down. Okay, we got this. Let's go down. Did not know this. Oh, mucky, mucky, mucky. That's okay. Nice down here. Wonder if they get any fish in here. We haven't had a whole lot of rain lately, so I guess this is a little bit on the low side, because you could see under there. You could see under there where, you know, it obviously comes up high enough to cover that. Wait a minute, I just saw a strange looking rock here. What is that? What is that? No. Piece of slag. That's it. Slag. Okay, let's go. Alright. Those are cute steps though. Let's continue on our happy little way. Let's go. Chest it. Okay. Anyhow, we are continuing on our way. It's a gorgeous path, yeah. This is not that far from Allentown, actually just outside of Macungie. And I guess it would be South Central PA, because it's not NEPA. It'd be more like a South Central. Here comes another jogger. Yeah, that's something I used to do at one point. That was a long time ago. Yeah. Okay. It's a beautiful day for it. Not too hot, and it's definitely not that humid at all. Nice little breeze. It's great. Alright. We are at the bridge. There are little steps to get down here on the one side. The other side's okay, not going to be quite so easy, but I'll see what I can do, because there's a tiny bit of a waterfall there, if you want to call it that. Oh, they need to fill some of these in. There we are. Oh, is that nice? Beautiful. Beautiful. Wasn't so deep there. That looks like it's waist deep right on here. Wasn't so deep there. I might go in there. Get that perfect picture, you know what I mean? Look at that, gorgeous. Those are bricks. Old bricks, I mean. Old. You could tell they are old. Gorgeous. So, let me see what I could do here. Okay. Now, to get to the other side, it's a little bit sketchier. But they do have, like, steps here. Whew. Don't fall. Oh, that last one's a dandy. So is this one. Alright, I'm going to have to brace myself just a bit here. Alrighty, let me see. Okay, this one's not too bad. This one is crummy. We're gonna have to climb down over that. I will get back to you in a minute. All right. Yes, those wooden steps, that didn't look so good, and well, the stone ones were okay, but the wood right next to it was not good. But I did make it down here, and I'm gonna see what I could do to get a picture for you. Isn't that gorgeous? Both sides of this bridge, just absolutely stunning. Okay, thanks for coming. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a great little walk. Such a nice place, and they really keep it up. So, see you soon. Peace, baby.